I'm going to talk about enhancing cybersecurity with the enterprise password vaults, majorly in the fintech solutions today. So basically, today, right, we see a cyber attack are happening widely, and especially for financial industry, it's a prime target, right, because of the sensitive information that financial industry holds. And every day, as we see, the threats keep on evolving. It's very important for financial institutions to implement very robust measures to secure the sensitive information, right? So, enterprise password walls is one such solution that is being offered. It's a critical solution that can enhance your cybersecurity by centralizing your password management, and it reduces the risk of many data breaches that are happening. So let's understand what is EPV, what is password vaults, right? EPV Enterprise Password Vault. Basically, it's a centralized solution that secures and stores your password and stores and manages your password for many applications or systems that it uses, right? What are the key features that we have, or what are the key features that EPV provides today, right? Strong encryption. It protects passwords with advanced encryption algorithms. It gives it manages passwords in a simplified password management, which reduces so much of administrative overhead. It restricts the users, access to unauthorized users, so that it prevents many, cyber or unauthorized access to your sensitive data in the company that you hold. It enforces very regular password changes that minimize your security risks today. You can enforce many principles that you can define your policies and principles which can enforce the strong encryption of your passwords. You can define password characters, password length, what kind of complex password you want, how much of rotation that you enforce on your passwords, right? The 60-day, 90-day, 365. You can configure all these complex policies into password management, so it enforces the complex passwords. Multi-factor, it also provides a multi-factor authentication, which adds more extra layer to protect your information, right? And audit logging is one major thing that it provides. It tracks all your user activities, who is accessing your accounts, who is pulling the passwords out of your vault management and everything. So, and that provides you a detailed audit trail of all the activities that are happening. What are the benefits you get using EPVs, right? You get enhanced security. It reduces risk of data breaches. It reduces access to many unauthorized access, right? Unauthorized customers, and protects your sensitive information. As I mentioned, we can enforce a password complex policy system so that it enforces the security, enhanced security. The efficiency is improved, right? Seamless password management process. It will save your time. It will reduce attacks. It automates the password resets and updates, as I said, which you can configure in your policies. Increased compliance. It helps organization to meet all your regulatory requirements and according to industry standards. It provides evidence of your strong security practices. And very much, this all definitely reduces user frustration because it eliminates the needs of users to remember those complex passwords, because it keeps rotating. It enforces the password automatic updates and everything. It provides a very seamless and secure user experience. Stop me, anyone, if you have any questions, okay? So, how do we implement these best practices, right? We have to assess. You need to identify the specific needs of your organization, specific needs of your users and customer, applications, and the security requirements that you have in your company. Then you can select the best EPV solution. You have to evaluate all different kinds of EPV solutions that is being offered based on your features, scalability, and cost, right? Policy development. You have to establish clear policies. You have to establish those procedures for your password management, for your access controls and your incident responses. You have to educate your employees on the importance of this password security, how to use these effective different types of EPV solutions that are being offered out today. Deployment and integration. You have to deploy the EPV solution, integrate with your various existing applications and systems internally or externally that you connect. And you'll have ongoing monitoring and maintenance. You can continuously monitor the EPV, all the security vulnerables or the performance issues that we have through the audit logging and trialing. What are the future trends that EPV is providing, right? Sorry, give me a second. What are the future trends that EPV is providing? There are many out there. Some of them I could list here, but there are definitely many out there. AI-powered automation, your intelligent password suggestions. AI today gives, a lot of algorithms that can analyze frequent use of password patterns, and it can suggest you strong and unique passwords for each of your applications. Very robust, right? Automated password rotations. AI can schedule and execute your password rotations, minimizing any manual intervention or any manual, that you have to set these principles and everything. It can schedule some automated procedures. Anomaly detection. AI can identify unusual access patterns. This can definitely secure you from your potential security threats and any alerts. It can alert the administrator who are looking into it. Biometric authentication is one future trend that we are seeing in EPVs. You can incorporate your biometric authentication, like your facial recognition, your fingerprints, voice, which can definitely, significantly strengthen your security. And as I said, it definitely give you seamless user experience. Biometric authentication can provide you that convenient way and secure way to access your applications. Zero trust security. So continuous verification that it can do. EPVs can integrate zero trust security, right? The new models that can continuously verify user identity and access privileges. And it will definitely, you can enforce a least privilege principle, which can limit the access to only very specific necessary resources, and it'll avoid access to, majority of the other resources, which is not in need. So finally, I just want to conclude by saying by implementing EPs, right, financial institutions can significantly enhance the cybersecurity posture today. You can definitely protect your sensitive data and mitigate the risk of any cyber attacks. So prioritizing this password security, right? It's not only financial. Any institution which holds the sensitive data, they can build trust with the customers and maintain your competitive edge in the market.